Hi everyone. I know everyone knows about khadi. Khadi is a hand-woven natural fiber cloth. There are different variations of khadi that we'll be knowing little later. So today we are talking to Paridhi Sharma, who is the founder, president of Mission Sankalp Khadi, and in panel with Minister of Textiles. And she is one of our jury members for the finale of PG Miss and Mrs. India Beauty Pageant, to be held in Hotel Umbrao from 8th to 11th April, and the finale is on 10th April. So let us talk to Paridhi because she has so much to say about khadi and about women in general. Hi Paridhi.
Hi Binita, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Happy International Women's Day today.
Same to you. Yes, it's today, and although we are not going to post it today, we'll post it later. So
yeah.
I did this one. So yes, you are doing so much for women and the people in general. So it's really great. Yeah, Paridhi, please tell because I have seen your profile and it's really a very heavy one. So please tell us something about you, about the work you're doing, and about the work you're doing for the nation, for Make in India campaign. So yes, please tell us.
Okay, so before I start having a conversation with you, of course, this is going to be very interesting concept that we are talking about today. So before I start, let me say, because it's International Today, Women's Day also. So let me say, if you want to find the best way in you, so you have to actually surrender your life in the life of others. So
Right.
This is a quote of Gandhi, and being a Gandhian also, we are trying to propagate the legacy. Now I'll introduce myself. I'm Paridhi Sharma, a master's from SNDT Mumbai in fashion communication. I started my career way back, I think 15 years ago, when completely into the textiles and things like that. In 2016, I got impaneled with Ministry of Textile, where I actually got an opportunity to visit the clusters of rural India and work with the artisans and craftsmen. I saw the real rural India, behind that. So when I first visited, I sat with the rural people. I understood what the challenges they are facing on a day-to-day life. So that is something which was very challenging for me, accepting the fact that India has, distinct types of culture, heritage, a lot of things India has. But the point is how we are promoting it, how we are propagating it. That was something which actually struck into my mind. And from there, I decided, okay, now I should take it as a mission, and completely start propagating. That is our own intangible heritage. That is kapda, that is khadi, which is one of the
It happened accidentally, or you were inclined to do all these things?
Actually, I was very much inclined to do all this thing because textile has always been my domain, because I studied textile, I understood fashion things, Then I thought that this is something which is intangible, especially the Indian, art and culture. We are blessed that we have distinct types of weaves in India, distinct types of art and craft. You just visit any state and you may find different types of, culture, weaves, clothing, food, everything, all together.
Yeah.
So the best part, when I was impaneled with Ministry of Textile, therein, I get the opportunity. Now I should take it forward. Now I think I should propagate to the masses, not only with an aim to just, propagate amongst the youth, but also across the globe. So there only I started this mission and carrying forward it.
So khadi is considered to be very rough cloth, right? So it's like the people consider it not as fashionable as it is, as the other textile is, material clothes materials is. So what do you say about it? Like, is khadi fashionable?
See, Binita, I would say that is a myth that khadi is no more a fashionable cloth, because now after COVID, we all have understood that how we should closely work towards the Mother Earth, ecosystem, the eco-friendly part. Now everybody in the country, not only in India, but also across the globe, switching towards the natural fibers. Switching towards the natural thing. So khadi, because there is a concept in the mind in every human being that we connect khadi mainly with the history part. Okay, it was a freedom fabric. It was connected with Gandhi. It was this. Just that. But we actually don't understand the characteristics of a khadi as a fabric whole. We need to understand. Yeah. So khadi, let me just brief you, because you understand what is khadi as a layman language. Khadi is absolutely a hand-spun and hand-woven fabric. Okay, it comes with a natural fabric. It comes with a natural fiber. If I talk about cotton, if I talk about silk, if I talk about wool, if I talk about any other natural fiber like jute, the banana fiber, now a lot of fibers have come up. So if we talk about anything which is natural and we spin the yarn out of it and then we weave it and then the cloth would come, that particular thing comes out as a khadi. But it is not only restricted just with the fabric part, but anything which is being made by hand, anything which is handcrafted is khadi, because Gramodyog comes under khadi. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was reading about khadi. Khadi is known as khaddar. So obviously in the people's mind, khadi is something very rough, so that's what people think about khadi. But yes, nowadays we are seeing so many fashion shows depending on khadi, only khadi. And the models are wearing brilliant clothes.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So the reason behind it, because one is that is eco-friendly. It actually gives the environmental look, that you are eco-friendly, you are wearing eco-friendly product. It is zero carbon footprint. There is no toxins behind it. So there are a lot of characteristics in it. It's a sustainable fabric. If you can start wearing any handloom or khadi product, I can bet you, Vinita, you won't be able to wear any other fabric other than khadi, or handloom stuff. So it has that power in it.
Yeah. So yes, so as you are coming as a jury member for our finale, so we welcome you for that. We really look forward because yes, we have seen your journey. You have come really long. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, like आपने बहुत लंबा सफर तय किया है.
And it is way to go.
Obviously it's way to go, because we do not know where we are going to land.
Absolutely.
Right, and we are not going to land as such.
Absolutely.
हमें उड़ते ही जाना है.
We are on a mission.
Yes.
हमें उड़ते ही जाना है.
Yes. हमें उड़ते ही जाना है. हमें लैंड करना ही नहीं है. So सबको साथ में लेके वो कारवा चलता गया, like that we have to do.
That's true.
So please tell me, like as a woman, what you will be seeing in the women who will be coming to compete in the pageant.
Okay. See, because it's going to be a beauty pageant, and somehow I'm also connected with the textile. I understand, how beauty is important along with how you carrying yourself. So the confidence and the trust and determination, that is something which is very important, because you may find a lot of paths, you may find a lot of, directions, but the challenge that you carry with the confidence, with the grace, with the determination, that will define a real beauty pageant in you. Because that is something you need to carry it. Because when I left my job as a center, director in one of the colleges out here in fashion, and then I decided that I only work for the rural country, for the rural, the lady behind the charkha inspired me. That moment I decided if I need to sacrifice my life, yes, I would do that, because that gives me a confidence to carry the thing, and probably she would be the one who is the lady behind the charkha, gets the credit out of things that yes, now we are taking it forward, the legacy. It is not stopped. It is unstoppable.
So because although it is called beauty pageant, but my mission is exactly to, so that the women should know that what they are worth of. Because recently I told this thing to one of other jury member also. Like I got a message from one of the lady. She said her husband said कि तुझमें ऐसा क्या है जो तुम Mrs. India में participate करेगी. And that sentence really stuck inside me, कि how could he say this thing? So I want the ladies, although yes, they are dependent for so many things on their husbands. They have to. They have to, because this is the culture, this is the Victorian male society, where we have come up, like जहाँ हम grow हुए हैं, तो we have seen our mothers doing all the household work and depending on husbands on everything.
True.
For अगर सब्जी भी लेने जाना है तो पैसे दे दो. That's what we have seen. अपनी मर्जी का कपड़ा भी खरीदना है तो पैसे दे दो. Either they are doing giving that by themselves, or they are asking. Both are the same.
Right.
Because the money part is, that is in the hands of the man only.
Yeah.
That's what we have seen. So if somebody wants to come out of that zone, if somebody wants to, revolutionize that thing, कि नहीं मुझे तो कुछ और करना है, मुझे अपनी मम्मी के जैसे नहीं रहना है. So, तो वो गलत मान ली जाती है वो lady.
True.
है ना? तो जो हमने देखा है हमारी लाइफ में, जो हम रेगुलरली देखते आ रहे हैं, still there are the percentage of women who are doing work on their own self is very less than the women who are, you know, totally dependent on their husbands. Even if they are doing a job, even if they are doing, even if they have a career, they have to be dependent on their husbands. Still, many women doesn't know how to do the insurance. They do not know how to, take care of the financial part.
Yeah, very right.
बहुत सारी चीजों के लिए they are dependent कि भाई अभी तुम ही कर दो. Like even if I have to do some Paytm, I'll say okay, you do it, right? Because either I do not know how to do it, or I get scared कि अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो, और अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो उसके पीछे भी like you'll have to listen about it.
Absolutely.
That is what I'm seeing. So my mission is to for the ladies कि कुछ तो like see this like सारे हमारे जो 1000 के नोट and 2000 के नोट वो बंद हो गए. And there were so many ladies who had
all
thousands of rupees. I'll not say lakhs of rupees. I'll start from thousands. So they were having, और वो एकदम से खत्म हो गए. They might be thinking हम इससे क्या करेंगे, उनका क्या एम है जमा करने का ये भी नहीं पता था उन लोगों को कि हम क्यों जमा कर रहे हैं, कब से जमा कर रहे हैं, पैसे क्यों जमा कर रहे हैं नहीं पता कि चलो मुझे ये चीज खरीदनी है या यहाँ घूमने जाना है. तो वैसा तो कोई उनका मिशन था नहीं, बट जमा कर रहे थे. So I would suggest कि now this COVID thing has come, so I would suggest just go with the flow, you know. the money will come and go. You cannot although yes, pageant is something you have to spend money on it, because this is something we are doing for you. We are not doing it for ourselves. We are giving value more than we are taking from you. But it's up to you that you do something for yourself. So as a woman, whatever you have achieved is something incredible. Like doing something and thinking about yourself. कि मुझे क्या पहनना है और मुझे यही कपड़े, like I've seen you wearing khadi most of the time. All the time.
All the time. Since I started this mission, you won't find any kind of clothes wearing, you know, me in a very other fabric or any foreigner fabric. No. I always wear Swadeshi with a spirit that yes, I have to carry with the grace so that other people will get inspired what I'm wearing, and they would ask me from where did you buy this stuff. So that's something which I achieve every time. That yes.
So this is your willpower, right? This is your willpower.
That's my willpower.
Yes.
That's my willpower.
ऐसा नहीं है कि और सारी ड्रेसेस सुंदर नहीं होती है. Like there are different. और किसी चीज को देख के लगता है यार ये मुझे पहनने का मन करता है. But you have got that willpower in you कि नहीं मुझे खादी ही पहनना है, चाहे किसी भी वे में पहनना हो, कोई भी ड्रेस पहनी हो, but I have to wear खादी.
Yes.
So that willpower I want in ladies.
Wow.
So this is not only a beauty pageant. This is a beauty with brains pageant.
Wow.
I have the contestants who I have this time or the last time, they were all like either entrepreneurs, housewives bhi thi, doctors bhi thi. So because they wanted to do something with their life, not only running, like walking on the ramp is not the only
objective behind it.
So for that I would like to ask you कि for all those ladies, either they have stopped thinking about themselves. Earlier they used to think about themselves जब वो उनकी शादी नहीं हुई थी as such.
Very right.
After marriage, slowly, gradually, when because the people say that you forget everything about your past life. मतलब मायके का लाइफ भूल जाओ.
बिल्कुल.
और अभी यहाँ से शुरू करो. हमें ये खाने को पसंद है, ये बनाओ. हमें ये पीने को पसंद है, ये बनाओ.
Very right.
हम इतने बजे उठते हैं, इतने बजे उठो.
Very right.
So gradually they stop thinking about themselves. For them, what you have to say कि कैसे जगाएं उनको, आप ये मुझे बताओ.
देखिए विनीता, जिस तरीके से आप सोच रही हैं कि इस ब्यूटी पेजेंट को एक नॉट ओनली ऑर्डिनरी ब्यूटी पेजेंट बनाना, बट एक इसको एक मिशन के साथ और एक विजन के साथ लेके जाना, वेयर वी हैव टू ब्रेक द स्टीरियोटाइप नेचर ऑफ द पीपल, यू नो, कि किस तरीके से वो रह रहे हैं या किस तरीके से उनको डिपेंडेंसी है. फिनेंशियल डिपेंडेंसी जिसकी आपने बात करी, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, बिकॉज फिनेंशियल डिपेंडेंसी, आई बिलीव दैट वुमेन हैज टू बी फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट, बिकॉज देन द थिंग्स will actually come into the pole that now she is financially independent, she can do anything what she wants. She's not dependent on her husband, especially on this money part, because
Yes.
she can't do this all the time now.
Yeah.
Because that is something which we need to understand, or we
Either they churao the money, right?
Yeah. That's their right.
No, that's the right. Okay, but still they do it.
Yeah.
For their own savings, for their own thing, to like कुछ खरीदना है मुझे, तो वो पैसे मैंने छुपा के रखे हैं. So that should not be there.
Yeah. And what if then demonetization kind of thing
comes in?
Then what they would do after that?
Yes.
Whom they will depend on. So these are the things which we really need to work on it, and we make them understand. Either in a way, we have to make them understand that yes, you have to become the financial dependent person, because if you are financial independent, then you may do anything and whatever in life. Because of course, for any kind of task, whatever you do in life, for your day-to-day life also, you need money. You need to have your lifestyle. Then of course you have to build your environment in such a way that people would not raise any questions to you that what you have done. Your confidence say everything, your work speaks everything at the end, that yes, this is my achievement, this is what I have got in life.
Right.
So these are the things which we need to inculcate, as by doing such kind of beauty pageants, taken out their talents, taken out their hidden talents, which is actually untold to this society. So that is something which we need to bring. I have seen a lot of home ladies have become entrepreneurs, and they are really successful.
Yeah.
Though their family people are with them, but the society also accepted them in such a way where they actually build up with the confidence. So the confidence is very important in each female that we need to inculcate by doing such kind of pageants.
Right.
So that is something you are doing a fabulous job, and you are not only promoting them on a stage, but also you're building the people in themselves, that yes, you are the one who could be the mother, who could be any kind of a lady who could actually, say something to the world. So that is the something which I really liked about it.
So I took an interview of one of the lady who was living in a live-in relationship. So she was not saying कि मैं उसमें शादी के बंधन में बंध के मैं नहीं करना चाहती. I'm happy about it. And I said that is totally fine.
Yeah.
Because this is the way you want to live.
Yeah,
what
that's
should
her
other
choice.
people? Yeah, that's your choice. If you don't want to let yourself covered in that shell, so it's okay. I'm happy about it. So I'm taking all those ladies inside that it's okay. But again, you have. I have created a legacy project in my pageant where any talent that they have, even like cooking, जो basically सबका होता है, and eating is one of the thing in our life that has to continue.
Yeah.
Right. Morning, evening, night. We have to eat something. So we can build something out of it. So I'm giving them the legacy project where they have to solve the problem of the society and earn out of it.
Very good. Very nice.
It's not कि आप केवल गरीब बच्चों की हेल्प कर रहे हैं और आपको उससे पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं. That is something. जब आपके पास पैसे होंगे तभी आप हेल्प कर पाओगे. So this is like ये एक साइकिल है. आप हेल्प करो, आपको पैसे मिलेंगे. आप फिर और हेल्प करो, आपको पैसे मिलेंगे. This you have to do. So that's what I have started in my pageant. That's what the ladies have to do.
So this is more like that you are encouraging the social entrepreneurship skills in them, which is again very important.
Yes, and we'll be giving them 1 year, whole 1 year free masterclass sort of thing.
Wow.
जिसमें जैसे आजकल आपने देखा है कि सोशल मीडिया का बहुत ज्यादा रोल हो गया है अभी हमारी लाइफ में कि आपको कुछ भी करना है तो you have to go through social media thing. Otherwise, personally, you cannot go and meet so many people.
It connects people fast.
Yes. So we'll be training them on all those things, that how you can promote yourself and how you can make yourself a brand.
Wonderful.
That's what we'll be doing. So we look forward for you to to see you on over there, and yes, you'll be walking the ramp also. Obviously, you have walked the ramp earlier, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but this time as a judge. And the ladies will be really inspired by you.
Wow.
So I would like you to say something more about the ladies. Although abhi tak main hi bol rahi
thi. Yeah. So for the ladies,
please say.
I would say just one line, and let me conclude with that note, be the change you wish to see the world. That is something, and create something and do something different that can create the difference in the society.
Right.
That is the only thing which I accepted. I have completely taken it and doing it. So if you want to do something right in your life, just be confident and be determined for that, and you will get it.
Okay, so how did you land it, like doing everything by yourself? How did you land it? Like you were getting support from the family members, or you did everything, like you started by yourself, then the family members included?
Yeah. See, when I started this, as I mentioned to you, Ministry of Textile given me the opportunity. So I had an opportunity where I actually visited the people. If I had not visited, I would have not started this thing, because that thought would have never come in my mind that, oh, this is something which I have not seen in my life. And this is something which actually contains the major part of India. Because 60% of India is completely under the rural entrepreneurship.
Yes.
So when I started this, when I first visited the cluster, I really actually got inspired. No, this is something which I need to start, which I need to think.
Right.
Then of course I brainstormed with the like-minded people, because for me it is very important just to not kickstart by myself. I have to analyze it. What would be the pros and consequences accordingly, So that I thought, I actually discussed with the like-minded people that how I should start this particular thing, because this is something which I'm transforming. This is something which I have to take it forward. So then things comes in my mind. Okay, nahin, I have to start it. Then I analyzed it completely, and then the mission got started. And of course society accepted it, because I actually developed the content behind it. See, whatever you do in your life, you have to have the vision as well as the content for it. Because if you go directionless, at the end you would get stuck somewhere, because you don't know what's the way out. You need to understand what would be the objective of the particular task. So when I started this journey, I always had a thought that down the line 5 years, I will see myself in that particular area. I would do something revolutionary for the society by giving them the empowerment, by giving them the kind of a work that they really wanted to do, by giving them the something which is sustainable. So that was something which was there in my mind when I started it. So accordingly, I chose the path and I started, completely the journey accordingly. So that is the message which I always wanted to give to the entire ladies out there. Whenever you start something in life, always have a vision behind that particular thought, why you would want to do that,
and feel that.
And feel that, because passion always makes you crazy for that work. Because if there is no passion, you will stop it. Maybe you get demotivated by yourself only. Because if maybe people would come to you, why did you stop this, you should have continued it, this and that. But if you're not self-motivated, now you won't be able to carry and continue with that task. So it is very important to continue that task with the determination that yes, you have a passion of doing it, you have a feel, you have a zeal to do that thing, and you will get through with that. So once you decide anything, be it any homemaker stuff or whatever, the beauty stuff, whatever task you would choose in life, always has an objective behind it. That this is the something which I need to achieve. Short-term goals, long-term goals that you have to make in life. And then you will see what dreams you will achieve, and what things you can achieve in life.
See, that is a long, ongoing process. That you have to start. When I started the pageant, there were people out there who said, "अरे 1-2 साल में खत्म कर देगी, बंद कर देगी, अभी नया शौक है इसको." There were so many people to pull me down.
Critics होने चाहिए बिनीता जी, वो होने चाहिए.
Pull me down in the sense because I was a totally housewife. नया शौक है और बहुत लोगों को देखा है pageant पे जाते हुए. So I said no, this is not a pageant that मैं वो normal pageant नहीं चाहती हूँ. जो भी मेरे दिमाग में है, I used to keep on writing about it कि ये मुझे अभी मैसेज देना है, ये मैसेज देना है. जैसे रात को 12 बजे भी दिमाग में कुछ आता है तो I used to write it down. या like ऐसे साइड में फोन करके ना I used to धीरे-धीरे करके I used to record कि मुझे कल इसका मैसेज बनाना है. So that's what I do. Other people, like person is sleeping besides me and I'm doing it. कि धीरे से record कर लिया कि अभी मुझे कल इसका बनाना है. So that's what I do.
So that's a passion. That's a passion.
That's a passion. So we have to feel it. There are so many motivational quotes out there. But you have to feel एक लाइन आपको एकदम से connect कर जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
और अगर कोई लाइन आपको कनेक्ट नहीं कर रही है, इसका मतलब you are not living your life.
Absolutely.
You
You're
are
lost.
living
You
others'
are confused.
life. Yes, you are living
Absolutely.
others' life. You are not living your
Absolutely.
life. So once
Absolutely.
you have to wake up.
Yeah.
केवल ये नहीं सोचना है सुबह उठ के मुझे क्या नाश्ता बनाना है, मुझे क्या खाना बनाना है, मुझे इधर की सफाई करनी है, मुझे बच्चों के कपड़े धोने हैं, ये नहीं सोचना है, because that is what is clogged into our mind.
Yeah.
हमने यहाँ गंदगी देखी, हमने वहां गंदगी देखी, ये सफाई करनी है, वो सफाई करनी है, बाकी सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं कि अभी हमें अपने लिए क्या करना है.
Very right.
Right, so this is what I want for the ladies कि एक बार अपने बारे में सोच लो, प्लीज एक बार.
बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है. Yeah.
And then they will do something out of their life. I have got many good contestants this year.
Wow.
Who are bankers, retired squatter leaders. Leader एक लड़की है. So and a housewife also. And some are doing jobs in HR. So अच्छा लगता है देख के कि भाई these people they are not restricted at one place कि अभी मेरे को ये जॉब मिल गया है और अब मुझे आगे कुछ लाइफ में करना नहीं है.
Yeah.
So they want to do something different in their life. So
absolutely.
Yes, that's what they are doing. Yeah. So thank you, Paridhi. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Binita. And I look forward to see the contestant with the thrill and with the determination, of course.
Yeah. And they are working very hard. We are doing online trainings now.
Okay.
I started doing online trainings for them because I want them to learn more about, not to waste time during the pageant कि उनको 10 मिनट आने में लग रहे हैं, फिर 10 मिनट ट्रेनर को आने में लग रहे हैं. So I am giving them all the trainings beforehand, and there will have fun.
Great. I wish you all the best to all the contestants and to you for organizing such a thrilled and gala event.
Thank you so much.
And we look forward for it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.